Welcome to my channel. Cudy Wi-Fi extender setup. 1. Open a web browser and go to http://cudy.net or http://192.168.10.1. 2. The quick setup window will pop up. Choose wireless extender, then go Next. 3. Choose your time zone. 4. Select the host network you want to extend. Click on Connect. 5. Enter the host network's wireless password. 6. Customize the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and the password is the same as your host network. 7. Click Save Apply to complete the configuration. 8. Reconnect your wireless devices to the new Wi-Fi network. Note, if you set up the wireless extender mode using a wired device, this device may not have internet after setup. Please unplug and plug the Ethernet cable or disable and enable the network adapter to acquire the new connection. Thank you for watching.